Hello students, myself Swati. This is your maths class. Okay, we already have completed exercise 5.1. Today we are starting exercise 5.2. Okay, in the theory of exercise 5.1, we have already find how to get nth term of NAP. Okay, so the formula I think you all know, that is an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now an is your nth term of the AP that you have to find. A is your first term, n is whatever term we have to find, that is the n, and d is your common difference. Okay, so I have already written, you have to write in the notebook from this to this. Okay, now question number first part I am doing. Already they have given you a, that is a is 7, b is 3, n is 8, and we have to find an. So what I have to find is my an actually I know that an is the formula a plus n minus 1 into d. You know what is the value of n over here? N is 8. So in place of n, can I write 8? So A8 means, what is the meaning of it? A8 means 8th term of the AP. A stands for term, and this subscript stands for that, like 8th term, 10th term, nth term, that it is. So 8th term of the AP will be A plus, what is the value of n? 8 minus 1 into d. I'll put the value over here. I have to find this, so this I will keep as it is. 8th term is equal to a. What is the value of a? 7 plus 8 minus 1, 7 into, what is the sign in between of these two? Is multiply. 7 into, what is the value of d? D is 3. As you know, before solving this plus, I will solve multiply by applying the board mass. You all, I think, know that in board mass, multiplication comes first in comparison to addition. So what I will do is, I'll do the multiplication over here first. 7 3s are 21. So A8 is 7 plus 21, and that is 28. So what is the 8th term of this AP? The 8th term of this AP is 28. Now in the same question, if they are asking you to find a 100 term, you can find it easily. So this also we can find. How? We know that 100 term means what? A plus 100 minus 1 into d. In the same way we can do anything. Why? Because I know the value of n over here. Yes students, first question, fourth part I am telling you again. Why? Because first part is easy, but fourth part a little bit difficult it can be. So I am solving this part also. Okay, A is given to you, D is given to you. Now in this I have to find n, and an is also given to you. So I will put in the formula first. What is the formula of an? An is a plus n minus 1 into d. So put the values over here. An, what is the value of an? 3.6, okay, is equal to a. What is the value of a? Minus 18.9 plus n, I have to find n minus 1 into d. What is the value of d over here? Can you see that d is 2.5? Now students, one thing you have to take care, that don't solve this bracket. Okay, whatever is there in plus or minus, first of all, that moves. Here you cannot use board mass. Why? Because here we are not solving any sign. What we are doing is, we have to take numbers that side, so that n will remain alone. अगर n अकेला रहेगा तभी आप उसकी वैल्यू निकाल पाओगे. तो आपका एम क्या होना चाहिए कि आपके राइट हैंड साइड में n आए और लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में सारे नंबर्स मूव हो जाएं. तो मूवमेंट की जब बात आएगी, तो आप मुझे सोच के बताओ कि माइनस 18.9 मूव करेगा या 2.5 मूव करेगा. यस, यहाँ पे माइनस 18.9 मूव करेगा, क्योंकि प्लस माइनस और मल्टीप्लाई में पहले प्लस माइनस मूव करता है. जो n से दूर है, n के साथ बैठा है वो नहीं जाएगा, जो n से दूर है पहले वो जाएगा. तो दिस माइनस 18.9 विल मूव दिस साइड, and this minus will go in plus 18.9, and that is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Okay, do the calculation. Okay, 9 plus 6 15, carry 1, 8 9 10, 8 1 9 10 12, carry 1, 22.5 is equal to n minus 1 into 2.5. Now this 2.5 is in multiply. Here it was in minus. So if this side it has gone in plus. Now here 2.5 is in multiply. So this side it will go in. Yes, very good. It will go in divide. So 22.5 divided by 2.5. You can cut the decimal. Okay, cut the decimal. Now you can cut with 5 or you can cut with 25 also. 25 ones are 25. 25 if you will do now, it will go with 9. 25 nines are, or you can do with 5 also. It's your wish. Okay, so can you see that I'm making a line over here that 9 is equal to n minus 1. So n will be, this minus 1 will go that side in plus. So 9 plus 1, and that is your 10. So what is the value of n you have got? Yes, it is very easy. You can see it. Please do it properly. Otherwise, by doing only one mistake, you can get the wrong answer. Okay, students. Now we will see second question. I am doing the second part of second question. All other parts of first question you have to do yourself. 2 parts I have solved. 3 parts are left that you have to do yourself. Okay. Now 11th term of the AP we have to find, because here you can see that it is means it is a big question mark. We have to find the 11th term of the given AP. So can you see that what is the first term of the AP? Yes, the first term of the AP is minus 3. Okay, now I have to find D. So I think for D you know that D is A2 minus A1. So what is my A2? Minus 1 upon 2 minus A1 minus 3. Okay, so just solve it. Minus 1 upon 2 minus plus 3. Okay, I am taking the LCM. 2 minus 1 plus 6, and that is your 5 upon 2. So what is the value of D over here? D is your 5 upon 2. Now I have to find the 11th term. What is the formula of 11th term? So 11th term, I have to find nth term. What is the formula? A plus n minus 1 into D. So if I have to find 11th term, so it will be A plus 11 minus 1 into D. Put the values over here. A minus 3 plus 10, 11 minus 1, 10 into what is the value of D? 5 upon 2. Can I cut something? 2 ones are 2, 2 fives are 10. So it is your minus 3 plus 5 fives are 25. 25 minus 3. 22. So what is the 11th term? It is the MCQ type question. You can see from the option which one is correct. So the answer is 22. It's first part, students. You have to try yourself. Now there are so many questions like question number 3rd. You will try yourself to do. If you are able to do, then it's alright. If you are not, then in next class I will tell you how to do question number 3rd. Thank you.